Hey everybody, it's Paul from Campskills. This is our second video, progress report of how Campskills is going. As you know, we create 3D printed products for Vanagons and early 80s or 80s VWs, because we have our window cranks that work across that whole genre. But yeah, things have been going great. The scan gauge here has been amazing. Folks have been buying it and loving it. A lot of great feedback. Check out Instagram. It just clips into place with a snap. And essentially solves that problem that hadn't been solved yet. Double-sided tape was not doing it. This is great. Clips right into place, super easy to install. Folks are loving it. You know, one thing that happened that was really interesting was that I didn't think about this, but people have different steering wheels. Of course, I think we've all seen probably on Instagram that folks sometimes put a Eurovan steering wheel in their Vanagon. I don't know, it's more comfortable. I don't know. So our friend Justin reached out and was like, hey man, I have a Eurovan steering wheel and unfortunately this just sticks out a little too far. I said, hey, send us some pictures, let us know what's going on and maybe we can help. He sent us some photos and some measurements and we were able to just make the distance that it sticks out from the gauge cluster a little less, I think 15 millimeters less, and boom, it totally worked. And that is what makes 3D printing really awesome. He was able to reach out and we were able to help him out. Hopefully you're watching and we're excited to reach out. Now, can we do that for every type of scenario that might happen? No, of course not. That would kill us. But it's great to be able to do it for, I think, the ones that might be a little more ubiquitous, because I know I've seen Eurovan steering wheels before. So that was just super awesome. The other thing that is fantastic, and this is our bigger news, is that GoWesty reached out to us to start selling these in their store, which is so amazing. It's a huge vote of confidence that folks are loving these so much that a larger Vanagon retailer would reach out and want to include them. So we are super excited to partner. Of course, we said yes. Obviously, you can still buy them from us, but you can buy it from them. And you know, with their engine kit, it just makes sense to kind of pair it together. The other thing that I think makes complete sense is that for international folks that might have gone to Campskills and been unable to purchase this, GoWesty will ship international. So this opens the door to the international opportunity to get these around the world. So we certainly hope folks will go there and take advantage. Super excited about that. We can't believe it. The window cranks are still for sale as well. We continue to make those better. Folks have reached out with some feedback. We continue to make them stronger and better. They really look great in any Volkswagen of that era. And then lastly, on the product front, you might have seen on the website, we have the Vanagon Smart Tray. We developed that back in 2015. And we did a Kickstarter and it was going to be an injection molded part or thing. And it just got to be too complicated. We got a lot of great feedback from folks, which we've remembered and have taken on. We're working to bring some of that into this work. One of the major things that folks told us was, hey man, my phone is in a case or it's all different sizes and I want to be able to fit it. And we were like, okay, yep, that makes sense. So we developed this way to fit a huge ranges of phones inside the space. It's very simple. We're not reinventing the wheel here. This is not groundbreaking engineering, but it will be quite helpful for the Vanagon Smart Tray. Essentially, these wings can move in and out, and then you can tighten it on the back with a little knob. And it should be just a very simple, fantastic way to make this product more palatable to more people. The thing we love about it is it looks like it's designed for your van. It doesn't delete the ashtray totally. I love just throwing some coins in there or a pen or a ticket or just whatever is in my hand. It's just handy to have that stuff at the reach. It also integrates the GoWesty stereo switch. So if you're like me and you want to turn just your stereo on and run it on your house battery, having a switch to do that is really awesome. So more to come on that in the R&D phase on it right now, but super excited about it. It's going well. What else is happening? Well, we are an internet company, aren't we? Yeah. So we have stickers now. check them out. We're excited about that. I don't know, you might have noticed our logo has been updated. Our good friend Ian Swanson helped us with that. Thanks, man. We thought, hey, let's celebrate by making some stickers. So check them out. They're very cool. Gonna be up on the site. It's a great way to support us. If you don't have a scan gauge and you don't need window cranks at the moment, it's just fun. You can put them on your van, put them wherever you want. It's a good time. Progress report number 2. As always, if you have any thoughts or questions, you can contact us at paul@campskills.com. You can go to the website, campskills.com, which is fantastic. And check us out on Instagram and our Facebook group, which is right here. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it, but it'll be on screen at this point. Thanks so much. We're super excited that you're loving our products. We're so amazingly excited to be part of the GoWesty catalog. That is just something we did not expect. Looking forward to progress report number 3. All right, have a good time out there. We'll talk to you later. Bye.